Spring plant turnaround season is quickly approaching. Complete time-sensitive plant turnarounds this year with Larson Electronics portable explosion-proof lights. Plant turnarounds come with system outages when conducting maintenance, resulting in a highly dangerous work area. This is why you need portable explosion-proof lights. They make plant turnarounds safer and more efficient. Our selection of lights are easy to transport, deploy, and store. Portable units on powder-coated stands with carrying handles can be deployed on the ground, while lights secured on wheeled carts make transportation around hazardous locations seamless. Portable explosion-proof light towers on quad pods are also available for illuminating temporary work areas or projects around the combustible facility. Our lights come with long power cords for illuminating hard-to-reach areas and extending movement. Check out our complete selection at Larson Electronics. Please like, subscribe, and share. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.